Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias. So I am in such better spirit today. Yesterday I ended the vlog, and it was really late because it was such a crazy day. But this morning I got up early, took a bath, got ready. I went and got my favorite drink, my matcha, and I got the call for my car. They said it's ready, and thankfully, because after a lot of praying, me and my daughters were like, please don't let it be something expensive, They said it's the fuel line popped out and they fixed it. It's back in place. I shouldn't have that problem again. And they're just gonna do the oil change, and I should be able to pick her up later today. So hopefully it wasn't that expensive. I didn't even ask how much it was gonna be, but they said it's ready to go. But I'm also taking this as a sign to finally, part our ways. I've had this car for like only 3 years, and she's, giving me so many issues. If you guys have been following me since the beginning, you guys know how many problems this car is giving me, and I think it's time, guys. It's sad, it hurts, because I really love this car, but my daughter says, Mom, I hate to see you upset because of this car. She says I have PTSD. I was driving my dad's car yesterday, and I was like, what's that? And she's like, oh my God, Mom. Like, no, calm down. Like, you're like in a different car. Like, I feel like you have PTSD. Like, and I feel like I have it too, because any sound, any something, it just like, I just jump. But yeah, so today I'm a lot better though. I'm happy. I'm just gonna take it one day at a time. If I find a different car, I will get it. If it's something that's in the cards for me, it will be for me. I always say, if it's meant for you, it's for you. Nobody can take it away. So I've always been that type of person. Things happen for a reason, and we're just gonna take it like that. So yeah, so I got my favorite matcha. I was actually I had recorded it, but because I'm not in my car, my phone fell and I couldn't record it for you guys, so unfortunately. But yeah, I love getting the matcha lately. I'm no longer, like, I'll drink coffee at home, but I don't buy coffee out. I prefer a matcha. I will get the maple matcha. If any of your local coffee places have it, maple matcha with cold foam, vanilla flavor in my cold foam. She is a little sweet, so if you don't like too much sweetness in your drinks, this is definitely not for you. And I also do prefer it ice than warm. Like, I don't know, I prefer it that way. The flavor just changes a little bit, so I prefer it ice. But yeah, so far it's been a good morning. I do have a double shift today. I also have physical therapy a little bit later, so I do have a busy schedule. I don't think I can record in my physical therapy session, so I'll probably catch you guys up a little bit later when we get home. I have a few things I want to do at home, and my 2 hours I'll have available, and see what else I can do. I don't like taking naps in my break, because if I do take a nap, I wake up more groggy. So I just rather, write it out until later at night, so I can just knock out. Like, I'll get so tired, I'll just knock out. So I rather do that instead. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later when we get home. Hey guys, so I am home now. I finished my chiropractor appointment. I did my rehab. It was like 40 minutes of rehab, and then I brought the girls home some Domino's, and I am about to put my new shower curtains up. I know what they're called now. I couldn't remember yesterday, but I purchased these at TJ Maxx. They were $16.99. As you can see, they're very simple, natural, contemporary, solid, nothing crazy. So I've had these right here for a few years, and that's when I was going through like my rustic farmhouse era, and now that I'm trying to switch to a more modern, organic style, these aren't what I want anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch them out, because I've been meaning to do this and I keep forgetting. So that's what we're gonna do right now. If I can open them. Okay. have to do my bathroom next, but I really wanted to show you guys how this one looks. I'm telling my daughter it looks really like high-end hotel vibes. But I love it. It looks really, really nice. For some reason also our bathroom now looks bigger. I don't know, because of the poofiness from the last shower curtain. It just took up so much space going this way. But I love it. I just love, love, love the fabric against the black. It just looks really nice. Really nice. I really love it. Really clean. I love it. So I can't wait to switch some things up in here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use more vases and stuff up here for decor and take my signs. I'm no longer into, like, you know, the written signs. So things like that we switching up. Also my carpet for in here. So a few things will be changing slowly, nothing too crazy, just slowly. But yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, love it. So another thing I like doing is yard sale. You guys know I rarely like, if I don't want something, I really just donate it. I prefer to do yard sales because at the end of the day, I need to buy more things for the house, more clothes for the girls, shoes again for the girls, anything like that. The money that I get from the yard sales is put in back to what I needed or what I originally sold, like house stuff or stuff for the kids. So I have gathered some things from their closets that I'm gonna put away for my next yard sale, which I might do it next week. I think next week I like to do one more yard sale before the end of the year, just, you know, to get it out of the way and see how much things I can sell, which is good because it opens up a lot of space. And since I'm trying to do the don't buy unless you need it thing, I'm really, you know, really trying to crack down on overbuying things. So yeah, at the moment I have jackets, sweaters, and since it's winter, this is the perfect time to try to sell them because I know they will sell because, you know, it is winter time and this is what people are wanting to buy at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Mommy. Yes, daughter? Hey guys, so I am all done. I was able to vacuum, wash the dishes, put the curtains up in the bathrooms. I put all the stuff I need for the yard sale away. I have a pile of trash over there because since my garage door is not opening, I have to walk all the way around the house to go throw the trash away. So yes, but I am done for today. I'm already dressed, ready to go to work. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you tomorrow's vlog. Bye.